In today's video, I'll show you how to play GTA 5 with friends using the RAGECOOP. Even if you only have the offline version of the game, check my video description for the site link. Select the download RAGECOOP. Select this ragecoop.line.zip and this will start download. Check my video description for these other required mods download link. Once download done, right click on script V and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open bin, try and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Once done, go back and open scriptv.net and drop these files inside of a game folder. Once done, go back. So I already did. So to show you guys, I'm creating for you. Right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder scripts and press enter. Open the scripts folder, open releases, and drop these two files inside of scripts. Go back to the game. Open RAGECOOP, and drop this RAGECOOP folder inside of a game folder. Open RAGECOOP, open RAGECOOP installer.exe. More info and anyway option. Navigate to game folder. Select the GTA5.exe and select open option. Select the yes option. Select install. Select the yes option. Yes, and install this. Installation successful. Everything is done. Launch the game. Once you are in game, press F9 to open up this RAGECOOP. Using the up arrow and down arrow, choose option. To select option, press enter. Select this username. Type your name. Don't use anything special characters. Once you're done, press enter to save this and go to servers. Choose the server you like to play. Some of the server require the high version of this RAGECOOP, so avoid choosing those servers. I'm gonna join this RAGECOOP server. Say to our friends to join the same server, RAGECOOP. Press enter to join the server. Right now we are connected. To chat to someone else, to our friend, press T and it's going to be chat to all of them in this server. Right now there is nobody. After your friends join this server, you can able to see them with white dot. Use Discord to voice chat or go to settings in RAGECOOP and turn on this enable voice. Once you done this, press escape key and go to settings. Voice chat, voice chat, set this to enabled. The microphone, turn it on. Then you can able to listen and able to talk. And this way you can play with our friends. I have also tried to join other servers like players or in the servers. For example, I'm joining this Spider-Verse server to show you guys lots of players in there. I have successfully joined. Press the escape key and as you can see here are the players. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.